Why should I use BONOSS Hub-centric wheel spacers?
Installing Hub-centric wheel spacers on the vehicle offers several advantages over non-Hub-centric spacers. A Hub-centric spacer is designed with a step that provides a more precise alignment between the spacer and the hub assembly. This precise alignment ensures a tight and secure connection, reducing the failure of spacers caused by inaccurate installation. Non-Hub-centric wheel spacers rely solely on the bolt pattern and surface pressure for alignment. This can lead to issues such as uneven force distribution and potential for movements or vibration during operation, which can in turn cause damage or premature failure of the spacer. In contrast, the hub-centric design of the wheel spacer ensures that the components are perfectly aligned to the hub. This not only makes the installation process easier, but also significantly improves the reliability and longevity of the connection. Moreover, the precise fitment facilitated by a step spacer can help reduce vibration and noises, provide smoother and more stable handling.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!